In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautifully designed PDF using a variety of tools perfect for sharing with your audience or customers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. To start this journey, the first thing you'll need to do is choose a design tool that best suits your needs and skill level. Some popular choices include Canva, Adobe Acrobat, Microsoft Word, or Google Docs. Each tool offers unique features, so consider what you're most comfortable with and what will help you achieve the design outcome you're aiming for. For instance, Canva is fantastic for graphic-heavy designs, while Google Docs and Microsoft Word are excellent for text-focused documents. Once you've chosen your tool, open a new document or design. This is where the magic begins. It's time to create the content for your PDF. Think about the information, images, or any templates you want to present to your recipients. Make sure that as you design, you keep your layout clean and easy to read. This is crucial for ensuring that your audience can quickly grasp the key messages. Using high-quality images can really enhance your PDF's appearance, so feel free to incorporate them wherever necessary to break up text and keep things visually engaging. Next, when you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save or export it as a PDF. This process might vary slightly depending on which tool you've used. For those of you working in Canva, head over to the download button. Here you can select either PDF print for high-resolution prints or PDF standard if your primary goal is digital sharing. If you're using Microsoft Word or Google Docs, go to the File menu and select Download. Here you'll find the option to save your document as a PDF document, which ensures that your formatting remains consistent and intact across different devices and platforms. Now that you have your PDF, it's important to review it thoroughly. Open the document on your computer or phone just to make sure everything looks exactly as you envisioned. Pay attention to all the details, from the alignment of images and text to the overall flow of information. Additionally, if your PDF includes hyperlinks, make sure they lead to the correct destinations and that they're functioning perfectly. This final check will help you catch any mistakes that might have slipped through and ensure that your audience receives a professional and polished document. And there you have it, a detailed guide to crafting your own PDF using some of the most user-friendly design tools available today. Remember, the key to a great PDF is in its clarity, design, and attention to detail. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating documents that are not only informative, but visually appealing as well. Happy designing!